Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link using your phone. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Google Drive. If you don't have it yet, just download it from your Play Store or App Store. After once done, go ahead and go to the Shared tab. After once you're in here, just go ahead and find a folder that was shared to you. For example, this folder right here. I can tap on it. Now, you'll be able to see a plus sign. All right, so just go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and then go ahead and tap on upload. Okay, tap on upload, and then go ahead and select the photo, file, or MP3, whatever you want. Just tap on select, and then just go ahead and tap on upload. Review the location right here in your account. Click on upload. And once that's done, you are good to go. You can now then go ahead and review it or swipe down to refresh the page. There you go. Wait for everything to upload right here. All right. That's how easy it is to upload files to share the Google Drive link using your phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.